Good day, tech enthusiasts and camera buffs. We're here to discuss the spectacular development in the sphere of action cameras. The world-renowned GoPro has introduced its latest edition, a powerful device designed for extreme action capture. The GoPro Hero 12, coveted by adventure seekers and tech lovers alike, is now available on market shelves. Known for delivering high-definition video quality, GoPro has once again created buzz in the tech world. The GoPro Hero 12, with its innovative features, is ready to revolutionize the action camera market. So what's new with the GoPro Hero 12? Let's dive into the details. The GoPro Hero 12 sports a host of impressive new features, taking action camera technology to the next level. Let's explore. First, we have HDR for video, enabling more vibrant, lifelike visuals. It flourishes in challenging light, retaining detail in both well-lit and darker areas. Then there's vertical capture, a godsend for social media users. It allows for footage perfectly tailored for platforms like Instagram and TikTok, eliminating cropping and resolution hassles. Furthermore, GoPro Hero 12 now offers extended recording time, ideal for long, uninterrupted shoots. No worries about battery life, perfect for full-day adventures. HyperSmooth 6.0 is up next, GoPro's latest video stabilization technology, ensuring smooth and stable footage, regardless of movement intensity. It's like a built-in gimbal. Last but not least, we have the new Bluetooth support. This allows easy pairing with other devices and remote control via your smartphone. With such an array of remarkable features, the GoPro Hero 12 is a game-changer in the world of action cameras. In a nutshell, the GoPro Hero 12 is an impressive upgrade to its predecessors. This gadget introduces superior features, including high dynamic range for video and extended recording time. Its revolutionary HyperSmooth 6.0 takes action photography up a notch. With the addition of new Bluetooth support and vertical capture, it offers added convenience and versatility. The GoPro Hero 12, with high-quality, smooth, and detailed footage, is a top choice for adventure enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more tech updates.